If you're trying to determine why your Evolution golf cart doesn't move or turn backward, here are a few problems we have fixed. This video will help you diagnose common problems when fixing up your golf cart. In it, I will address the top 9 Evolution golf cart problems, troubleshooting, and their fixes. Before we proceed, if you are new here, please subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Thank you. These are the 9 most common Evolution golf cart problems: startup issues, rear differential failure, rear end locker issues, reduced speed, battery failure, overheating issues, clutch issues, transmission problems, wiring problems. 1. Startup issues. Boot problems are the most common among Evolution golf cart problems. Many customers frequently report problems starting their Evolution golf cart. These are the possible causes of this problem, so you can better prepare your Evolution golf cart to avoid it next time. Battery error. A bad battery would mean the golf cart won't start with ease. To fix, replace with a new battery. Gas type. Make sure you are using the correct gas type specified for use with the Evolution golf cart. Additionally, a defective fuel pump or a clogged fuel line can also cause this problem. If the fuel pump is defective, consider replacing it with a new one and clearing the clogged fuel. If your starter has serious problems with its components, consider replacing it. Starter solenoid failure. The golf cart starter uses a solenoid to power the golf cart. Occasionally, this magnet can fail, resulting in the vehicle starting problem described earlier. 2. Brake problems. A telltale symptom of this problem is that it turns into hard braking when you try to apply soft braking. This is often a serious problem when accidents occur due to the misapplication of the brakes. Brake problems can be caused by various components like insufficient brake fluid. Brake fluid is responsible for lubricating the vehicle's brakes. A lack of this fluid can result in hard, rough braking. If there is sufficient brake fluid, the brake pads are the culprit. Brake pads are essential to prevent sudden braking, so this may be the cause. 3. Battery problems. Battery problems are caused by many occurrences, like a malfunctioning voltage regulator, which causes the starter solenoid to act up, resulting in the battery using up too much charge when starting up and wearing out easily. Loose contacts in your terminals, dead battery cells, vapor lock in the fuel line, and battery charger failure can also cause battery issues with the Evolution golf cart. Best way to fix the battery issues of this golf cart is to use a hydrometer to test your battery to determine if there are dead battery cells. If so, you should consider changing the battery. 4. Overheating problem. This is mostly caused by too much pressure on the engine or a failed part. Obvious symptoms are the car stalling while driving or getting hot while driving. Things often get serious when the engine overheats and catches fire. Overheating problems occur when the flow in the engine is not as efficient as it should be. Other causes include the coolant not working as efficiently as it should. The cooling system or cooling fan has stopped working, reducing engine airflow and low engine oil. How to fix overheating problems. If your cooling system is not working, call your mechanic. Refill coolant when low and replace radiator fan when exhausted. Ensure you're using company-specified engine oil and keep it at a sufficient level to reduce friction. 5. Speed control issues. This is another common issue reported by many users. The obvious symptom is when it struggles to maintain speed. However, if the golf cart's speed suddenly becomes uncontrollable, this problem can become very serious and lead to accidents and injuries. This is mainly due to the presence of a potentiometer that regulates the speed of the carriage. Another cause could be the notorious cracks or loose connections in the wiring harness. Contact your mechanic when issues like these occur. 6. Solenoid issues. The solenoid is a coil of wire that carries power from the golf cart motor to the switch. If the solenoid fails, the starter and ignition switches will not work. To fix, disconnect all connections and reconnect firmly. Carefully inspect the circuit and replace any frayed or broken wires found. If the coil burns out normally, the solenoid coil should be replaced with a new one. 7. Direction switch issues. A faulty direction switch would mean you get stuck in reverse mode, preventing you from having a proper drive. When you notice that you have problems switching from forward to reverse, the problem begins. The directional switch can wear out after months of heavy use. If the problem is caused by wear and tear on the direction switch from heavy use, then contact your repair shop to replace the switch. 8. Clutch problems. While driving the Evolution golf cart, if the engine starts to slow down when the vehicle is going up a steep hill, the clutch has a problem. To fix, wash the outer surfaces of both clutches with water to remove dirt and dust, and then run the vehicle to check its operation. If cleaning both clutches does not fix the problem, disassemble and thoroughly clean all parts of the input and output clutches. 9. Rear differential problems. If you hear loud noises from the back while riding or a rear end leak, you may have a rear differential problem. 10. Front differential problems. You can also experience front differential problems. This is mostly caused by using the wrong lubricant type and specialty lubricants. Water can also cause front differential issues if it gets in through the vents and seals. To fix, splice into the wiring in the front differential, clean it out, and add a waterproof toggle switch. 11. Rear end locker issues. When you notice your rear end locker slipping when running at high speed for a few minutes, then it is faulty. To fix, you have to replace it. 12. Transmission problems. If you notice your cart popping out of gear, you most likely have a transmission problem. This is often time caused by contaminated or low fluid or worn synchronizers inside the transmission. To fix, check the transmission for excessive wear. In such cases, replace the transmission. Clean out the contaminated fluid and replace it with a better one. 13. Diesel wiring problem. In cases where your Evolution golf cart engine isn't cranking up as fast as it should, you may have diesel wiring issues. To fix, check out the fuel supply and replace the fuel filters, as they could be clogged, affecting the connections. Check your connections and battery terminals and clean them up if required. Conclusion. We hope you've seen the most common Evolution golf cart problems and the solutions that can help you avoid them. These issues should not discourage you from purchasing the Evolution golf cart. My goal is to help you overcome any Evolution golf cart problems you may encounter with your new golf cart. After all, not everything is built perfectly. And with that, we come to the end of the video. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Thank you.